Full speed ahead.
Oh, the cannonball from Willow!
That's
The cannonball from Willow, covered by Kevin Knight. 1, 2, hook the leg, but
Gonna get another bite of the pie. Oh no.
that time
Megan Bay saving Dax DX.
pushing Dax out of the way, and now the fight is on the floor. Oh boy. Collision homecoming in right now.
Oh!
Cash Wheeler in. Trying to jump on Willow Nightingale, who tries to make the tag. She does. It's Speedball Mike Bailey with a couple of front kicks.
Bailey making use of it. Well, turn around. Cliche as it is, fair play. And they want to see it.
Look at him stand! Look at him standing, and look at Willow Nightingale!
Oh, Willow Nightingale channeling Beth Copeland.
Oh, she hammers Cash Wheeler! The fans standing, cheering on! Willow Nightingale! She's taking up both members of FTR by herself!
Whoa!
Enziguri!
Doomsday!
You're right, Doomsday Device! Boom! Willow is down. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Here are your winners.
Bayne attempted the powerbomb earlier. What's going on?
It's Harley Cameron!